Hello, this is Ankit Sensor. You are 15 CS to 58, and I'm making this video for the ninth experiment of UNIX lab. And the aim of this experiment is inter-process communication using pipes. So there are two types of pipes, namely named pipes and unnamed pipes. Named pipes are used for communicating between processes which are not closely related, they are quite far cohesion, and unnamed pipes are used for communication between processes which are like very closely related, like parent and a child and a sibling. So first of all, let's see a program using a named pipe. So the named pipe is basically like a normal file only, and we create it using mkdir. So, and we can use the regular file handling system calls to handle this. So the first question is to you have to create a process one pipe and write a string into the pipe, and using the process to pipe, we have to read the string and display the number of vowels in the string. So as you can see here, first of all, I have defined a function which converts any vowel that is given to it into uppercase. Now moving on to this file, as you can see, first of all, I have opened. First of all, I have created a pipe. Uh, First of all, I have taken the name of the pipe. Uh, actually, this is actually green code. So first of all, I have taken the name of the pipe, and using the mk node system call, I have made a named pipe using the name of the pipe. So I'm given here some of the permissions to the file, and if the ID is 0, that means we know that the pipe has been successfully created, as we saw in the last previous programs, that whenever the child is successfully created and the control is within, it returns 0, and if it is not 0, it is failed. Now Now what we have to do is we have to write some folder in the pipe, some string in the pipe. So for that, first of all, we will open the pipe using the open system call. Then once we have opened it, now we will write a string into this pipe. So we will use the write system call to do that. So let's try doing that. So first I executed it, so we compiled it. Now let me give a name of the pipe, the pipe 2. Okay, it's successfully created. Now we have to enter the string. So let it be 7. Okay, now we have made a pipe 2, and we have written a string, that is a sample, into that pipe. Now we have to read this pipe. So for that, I have made another program, that is the read pipe. So for that, to handle and we have the given function to change any vowels into uppercase. So for that, I have written a function here, upper, which will read those vowels and then change it into upper. So in the main, first of all, we will open the pipe using ft open, since it's a file. Then we will read the pipe using the read system call, and the required message size that we need to read, and finally we'll read the message, the string that we will read. First of all, print the original string that we got from the pipe. Then using the function that we created, we will change all the vowels into the uppercase. So let's try this out. It has been compiled successfully. Now, as you know, like last we created a pipe 2, of our pipe named pipe 2, in which we have the string there, and it is converted into, yeah, it doesn't take spaces. Next is the unnamed pipes. So the unnamed pipe is different from the named pipe. It has its own system called pipe. So let's see the program first. So here, as you can see, I have to again do the same function, but this time using the name unnamed. So here, as you can see, I have created a pipe using pipe system call, and this pipe returns an FT pointer which contains the ID, write ID, and read ID, which is stored into an array, that is FT pointer. So here, as you can see, I made an array of FT pointer with two spaces, so which the read and write pointers have been written. So first of all, I will open the file and will read the. So first of all, I will open the file, read, and using the read pointer, sorry, write pointer, I will write a string into it. Then again creating another process, child process. We will open that file and we will read using the read pointer and do the upper process into it and then print the process. So this is the program here. So let's try running it. So you have to enter the string, let it be 7. So as you can see, in upper, all the all the vowels have been uppercase, and as you can see, we have the child process ID and the other child process ID and the parent ID. So this is it for the experiment. Thank you for